But first let's look at the code, and I'll show you the output later because the app is still building. First you will have to go through this documentation and open this fabric native components.md file, because I will be copying a lot of code from this documentation. And here you can see I have created a React Native project. First thing which you will have to do once you have created a React Native project is, so you will have to cd to your iOS directory inside your terminal and then run this particular command. So this will enable the new architecture for iOS. Then you will have to create a folder called rtn my SwiftUI view. Okay, and here you will have to create a package.json file. Again, I have copy pasted this from the documentation. Only this name has been changed, this name has been changed, and this name has been changed. Next, I have created a podspec file as well. Again, I have copied it from the documentation and this name has been changed. Then I have created a JS folder. Inside that I have created a TypeScript file. Again, I have copied it from docs. Only this name has been changed. I have removed the props as well. And then again you will have to go to your terminal. Okay, just a second. Go to your terminal, cd to the root of your React Native project and firstly run this particular command. Then you will have to do cd ... It will move you outside your React Native project. Then you will have to run this particular command, but here instead of rnapp visualize parametric function line plot SwiftUIChart, this is my project name. So as you can see over here, this is my project name. So you will have to change it over here as well as over here with your own project name, and you will have to run this entire bit of command. So this is our folder name which we have created. Once you do that, you will again cd back to the iOS folder which we have, the main iOS folder, and then run this particular command. So this will do code generation for iOS. Also, the documentation says that create an iOS folder in this particular folder. We won't be doing that because we need to write Swift code. Then you will have to open the XE workspace of iOS inside. Now coming back to our Swift code, so I have opened the project inside Xcode. Firstly, you will have to go to your project and here select iOS. You will have to update the minimum deployment target to at least iOS 18. Then I have we'll again follow the documentation. So it says that create an header file, which I have done. Again, copied it from docs, only this name has been changed. Then create an Objective-C++ file, so this one. Okay, change the extension to .mm, so it is Objective-C++. Again, I have copied it from docs, and only this name has only this name, and this name has been changed. Then I have created another Objective-C file. I have changed the extension to .mm again, and here I have just imported this header. This has been copied from docs, only this names has been changed. Okay, this is my project name, so change it to your own project name. This I have just copied it. This is not from the documentation. So in the documentation you will see some other import, but you will have to use this import because we are writing the code inside the main iOS folder. Again, this has been copied from docs, only this name, this has been changed. This is our Swift file which I will show you shortly. Again, this has been copied from docs. This name and this name has been changed. Here we create a view. Here we change the background color, change it to whatever you feel like. This is our Swift UI view which I will show you shortly. Again, this has been copied from docs as well. This name and this name has been changed. Rest everything is copied from docs. So here I have created a Swift file. Xcode will ask, do you want to create a bridging header? Click yes. Again, I have imported foundation UI kit Swift UI. We don't really need React. Okay, here I have imported UI view, and inside the initialization we are just basically embedding Swift UI view inside our UIKit application. So this is the boilerplate code for it. Here you can see I have another Swift file which I am initializing it over here. I will show you that shortly. Again, this is boilerplate code which you have to write, and here with the help of this I am getting hold of our root view controller, which you can see over here. Okay, and here I have created another Swift UI file. So this will actually display the chart. So here is our line plot. This is the X, this is the Y. Here I have done some mathematical calculation. Now this calculation I have just copy pasted it from documentation. I am not really good at this, so I am not really sure what's happening over here. And this is the X scale, Y scale, plot style, change the foreground style to whatever you want, aspect ratio and frame. Now to use it, you can import it something like this and use it like this. Okay, let me quickly show you guys the output. Also, one more thing, I'm not sure if I forgot to tell you, make sure you update the deployment target to at least iOS 18, and here you can see this is the output. So depending on your mathematical calculation, you can draw anything on the chart. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.